You know, as we get older, nights become a quiet time where the mind finally slows down, yet the body still whispers its own worries. Blurry vision, forgetfulness, tired eyes that struggle to read the same words we once read so clearly. A brain that sometimes feels foggy, searching for memories through a soft cloud. But what if, before going to bed, you give your body 3 simple foods that work silently through the night, restoring your eyes, supporting your mind, and sharpening your memory while you sleep? Most seniors don't know this, but your nighttime routine is the most powerful time to repair your brain and eye cells. While you sleep, your body removes toxins, rebuilds tissues, and strengthens the neural pathways that control memory. And these 3 foods boost that natural healing process like nothing else. The first food is something so small yet so powerful that eye doctors recommend it again and again: blueberries. Just a small handful before bed can nourish the retina, soothe dry eyes, and protect against nighttime vision problems. These dark blue gems are loaded with antioxidants that target the most delicate part of the eye, especially the area responsible for sharp reading vision. Seniors who take it regularly notice clearer sight in dim light and less heaviness behind the eyes. And at night, these antioxidants work for hours, restoring clarity while you rest. The second food is an amazing brain-friendly powerhouse: walnuts, your dry fruit. Their healthy fats help keep your brain cells flexible, sharp, and connected. Many seniors complain about forgetting names or losing focus, and in many cases the brain is simply starving for the right nutrients. Walnuts give your brain deep nourishment and protect the neurons responsible for memory. Taking just a few walnuts before bedtime allows these healthy fats to settle into the brain overnight, boosting recall, reducing fogginess, and supporting long-term brain health. The third food is something ancient cultures trusted for centuries for calmness and repair: turmeric with warm milk. This golden combination relaxes the nervous system, reduces inflammation in the eyes, and supports deep, restful sleep. For seniors who feel stressed, experience eye strain, or wake up multiple times at night, this soothing drink works like a natural switch, quieting the mind, relaxing the muscles around the eyes, and helping your brain reset while you sleep. Imagine this. Tonight, before sleeping, you enjoy a small serving of blueberries, a few walnuts, and a warm golden milk drink. Then you lie down, close your eyes, and let your body work. Inside your brain, millions of tiny connections strengthen. Inside your eyes, tired muscles soften while nutrients rebuild delicate tissues. And by morning, you wake up clearer, sharper, and more energized, not just physically, but mentally. Thousands of seniors in the US are adding these foods to their nighttime routine because the results are real: stronger vision, sharper memory, better sleep, fewer moments of confusion or fatigue. Instead of expensive supplements or risky treatments, these natural foods give your body what it has been missing: true nourishment. Your eyesight is your window to the world. Your memory is your connection to the people you love. These are treasures worth protecting, tonight, tomorrow, and every day. So before you sleep, give your body this gift. Feed your eyes, feed your brain, feed your future. Because even small changes done consistently can transform the way you age. And your best years still deserve clarity, energy, and a mind that stays sharp for as long as you live.